or tumaas yung presyo ng fertilizer, may direct effect siya sa pagbaba ng production. Correct, no? So, we focused primarily on rice. You had a number of slides, but the interventions are focused on key crops. So, rice would be the number one key crop. Right now, ano yung ating production versus domestic consumption? Where are we right now? And considering the crisis, ano yung projected ninyo na pagpababa ng ating production? Or Yusek Perez, of course, can also answer if he wishes. No?
Based on the existing data, we expect that what will be affected actually will be the season or the harvest that will be planted May and June.
Okay.
Because that is where we're doing now the land prep and things like that. No, in preparation for that, we need the resources for those months. And so what will be affected will be the production come September, August, during that month.
Mm-hmm.
And it's around 10 million metric tons of rice.
Can you say that in percentages, Yusek Perez? So ano ba currently yung rice production natin versus domestic consumption?
At the current year, we are only producing 78% of our rice production.
And 10 million metric tons would be a decrease in how much percent?
Well, the initial projection, what we say, the minimum or the best case scenario is 20% reduction. That's the best case scenario. It can even go up to 50% decline in productivity because you see, pag wala hong fertilizer, walang magagawa yung farmer. Kung hindi niya kayang bumili ng gasolina, wala siya magagawa, walang kalabaw eh. And so the initial projection is about 20%. That's the minimum decline if we don't do anything.
That's 2 million metric tons of palay.
Of palay. Yes,
okay.
sir.
So if we don't do anything,
and
again, yun yung operative, diba? Because we will do something.
That is
no?
the cost of not doing anything. The inaction.
At least 20% up to 50% production.
Production loss.
So we go from 78% production to maybe 50% production.
That can be the worst
And
case.
okay, so first question, yung balance po na 50%, ang plano is to import that, obviously.
I don't think that can be a good plan because all the countries in the world are doing the same. They have to save their own.
Okay.
They're experiencing the same situation, sir.
So ang sinasabi niyo po is posible na wala rin tayong mapagbilhan. That's possible. No?
We've seen that in the case of India and also in other countries. Whenever there's a tight situation,
they stop selling.
Is to stop selling.
Okay. So ibig sabihin nun, wala tayong choice kundi talaga umaksyon para masigurado na ma-maintain natin tong 78% or even higher, no? Okay.